Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable call announcer on headphone. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your settings app on your iPhone, then you scroll down a little, then you click on phone app, this particular option right here, then you click on it. Once you click on it, then you click on this option which is announce calls. Once you click on it, then under this option you can see we have three options. For option which is always on call announcer, other headphone and car, or headphone only. So right here you're just gonna check this particular option which is headphone only. So now when announcing incoming calls, when headphones are connected, when second generation AirPod and some Beats iPhones are connected, you can answer call without saying a series, and that's what was beautiful part of it. When you are on headphone and this particular option is on, you can even pick your call based on the second generation AirPods and without even have to stress yourself, and this kind of cool. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.